Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I've made a video for all you subscribers, but I'm back with a redesigned office, as you can see behind me. New computer for editing, faster, so I can get those videos out faster in this new year of 2020, guys. So happy new year to all of you, and let's get started with this video. Now, one thing I ran across, this sign back up here, TW Home Show sign. I got that for a Christmas gift, and it's pretty unique. It's got the marquee lighting. Let me bring it down from here. It's got marquee lighting and stuff, and you may have seen these in some of my videos last year, and I turned it on, and what happens is I make a video, these switches right here, and it's got a battery compartment on the back right here, so you can turn it off and on. And they're kind of dim right now because I've used this sign over a couple nights ago, and so they dim down from the usage of the batteries. So in this video, I found a way to power this up by a wall plug and make it electric powered instead of battery powered, because it's costing me tens of hundreds of dollars a year to try to battery power this thing. And these lights with the batteries, 2 batteries in it, and I think they're AA's, yeah, 2 AA batteries. They last me about maybe 24 hours, and these things are dead. So it's costing a lot of money, but it's a unique sign, and we're gonna make this work powered by electric. So guys, stay tuned. Let's get this show started.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get.
All right guys, here we go. This is the product here that I'm gonna be using. I know, you were thinking I was gonna teach you how to solder today, right? Not today. We can do it like that, and I probably will have a video coming up shortly in the next several videos of how to actually do this by saving even more money by not having to buy a product like this. And we can use some simple soldering techniques and a power supply. But today we're gonna learn with this and this product right here. This is a product by LENINK. Guys, you pronounce it. All right, so let's get started. Let's see what you get in this box. See, it shows it plugged in by power supply. No more batteries. Let's open this thing up. This should be very simple. I haven't done this before. I haven't used this product yet. I'm sharing it with you live here. So let's see what we get in the box. Simple instructions. I mean, it's just telling you how to insert this product into your battery compartment. So this is the power supply with a cord and a male adapter. And then my sign here is powered by 2 AA batteries. So you get these 2 AA, they're kind of like dummy batteries. They're just to make the connection right. And it's got a slim, flat cord coming off. So you shouldn't have to make any holes for the cord to come out of that battery compartment, because this is like wire thin, wafer thin. And then you've got your female adapter here, and that will plug into here, of course, and plug it into the wall. And of course, we should have power. So let's try it out, guys. Now, before we start, I just want to let you know a little background information. A AA, AAA, C size battery, whatever you got, quantity of 2, 3, 4, whatever. These equal about 1.5 volts each. No matter, you know, if you got C battery or whatever, 1.5 volts. Different amps, of course, but we're doing 2 of these together, so this equals about 3 volts. Doing 2 batteries. Now you can buy this kit. I'll leave the links below for this exact kit, and ones that take 3 AA batteries, 4 AA batteries, and other size batteries. So if you look on the back of this power supply, I believe it says 3.3 volts. So it's got our 3 volts that we need from these. 1.5 and 1.5 equals 3, and we got 3.3 volts plugging this into a wall. So that will power what we need. So let's get my sign down. Here's our sign, guys. TW Home Show. established in 2013, guys. I'm glad to still be around with you. And if you like this video, guys, hit the like button below, possibly subscribe. Check out a couple of my other older videos. If you like them, leave subscribe there, and then you can follow me. So we're gonna pull off the battery cover here. First, I'm gonna turn this off. It's on right now. I'll turn the lights off, pull off the battery cover. We'll remove our batteries here. Now this is gonna save me tons of money, I believe. So I'm not sure if it matters which side to put these batteries in. I'm just gonna start like this. I'm gonna have the cord coming out the lower side so it'll be closer to the shelf and won't show. So I'm gonna do this. Put this in the correct way, just like you do your normal batteries. And then I'm just gonna leave a little slack in there. And guys, I'm just shutting this lid with the cord sticking out like that, guys. See the cord sticking out there? It's wafer thin. You can still close your battery cover probably on anything. So now, let's undo this cord. All right, I'm gonna plug it in here. All right, guys, got it plugged in. Now we'll plug it in here, make the connection, and let's see. Fingers crossed, guys. Is this gonna work when I flip the switch? Guys, we did it. Another invention, not by me, but I discovered it. I'm sharing it with you guys. So guys, I hope this helps save you a lot of batteries and money. I mean, because 2 batteries, this lasts about 24 hours. So guys, what do you think of the LENINK? You guys pronounce it right? I'm not sure how to say it. I'm gonna leave the links below. Look at how that works. It just comes right out of there. Now it's a pluggable device, plug and play device, and no more batteries, guys. Hopefully I helped you out in this situation. And guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. I noticed it's a lot brighter as well.